Good morning, my dear students. Warmly welcome to Ideal and Others Educational Institutions. It my pleasure to see the online class Economics Unit 3, Lesson Food Security and Nutrition. Now, we discuss about question and answer. Okay, take your book and page number 166. Okay. Correct. Choose the correct answer. First one, question number 1. Dash of food is physical availability of food stocks in desired quantities, which is a function of domestic production, changes in stocks and imports. Answer. Option A. Availability of food. Question number 2. Buffer stock is the stock of food grains, namely wheat and rice, procured by the government through the dash. Answer. Option A. FCI. Question number 3. Which is correct? Answer. Option D. All are correct. Question number 4. Dash extended assistance through its public law 480. Answer. A. United States of America. Question number 5. Dash revolution was born in India, paving way for self-sufficiency in food grain production. Answer. Option C. Green Revolution. Question number 6. Dash is the only state in India to adopt universal PDS. Answer. Option C. Tamil Nadu. Question number 7. Dash is the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Answer. Option B. Nutrition. Question number 8. Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutrition Program was started in Dash. Answer A. In 1980. Question number 9. Dash status is one of the indicators of the overall well-being of population and human resources development. Answer. Option B. Nutritional. Question number 10. Tamil Nadu Health System Project has launched dash services at free of cost. Answer B. 108 ambulance. Next one, Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. Okay, first one. Dash Foundation from USA introduced HYB in India. Answer. Ford. F-O-R-D. Question number 2. Dash is an important indicator of nutrition deficiency. Answer. Underweight. Underweight. And anemic. Anemic. A-N-A-E-M-I-C. Anemic. Okay. Question number 3. In the year Dash National Food Security Act was passed by the Indian Parliament. Answer. 2013. Question number 4. Dash play an important role in the supply of quality goods at responsible rate to common people. Answer. Consumer cooperatives. Answer. Consumer cooperatives. Next one, question number 5. Dash is the value of currency expressed in terms of the amount of goods and services that one of unit of money can buy. Answer. Purchasing power. Answer. Purchasing power. Next, third Roman letter, match the following. Question number 1. Consumer cooperatives. Question number 1. Consumer cooperatives. Answer. Supply of quality goods. Answer. Supply of quality goods. Question number 2. Public distribution system. Answer. Subsidized rates. Subsidized rates. Question number 3. UNDP. UNDP. Answer. United Nations Development Program. Answer. United Nations Development Program. Question number 4. National Food Security Act. National Food Security Act. Answer 2013. Question number 5. Kerala. Answer. Least poor region. Least poor region. Next question number Roman letter 6. Accession and reason. Accession. Question number 1. Accession. Yeah, purchasing power increases, price decreases, and vice versa. Answer option D. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, Roman letter 5. Answer in short. Question number 1. Define food security according to FAO. Page number 155. Page number 155, second para. The food security exists when all people, first line, food security exists when all people do that para fully. Last line, healthy life. Last line, healthy life. Okay, second question answer. What are the basic components of food and nutrition security? Page number 155 and 156. Okay, come. Page number 155. Right side, second para. The term was broadened to. The term was broadened to. Next page. Second para. Last line, health status. Okay. Question number second over. Question number second over. Question number third. Explain ship to mouth phenomenon. Page number 156. Page number 156. Left side, last para. After an initial. Last para after an initial to. Right side, first para. Last line, ship to mouth existence. Close your bracket. Okay. Next question number 4. What is the role of FCI, Food Corporation of India, in Green Revolution? Page number 157. Page number 157, left side, first para, third line. The FCI to the para fully. The last line, the year. Okay. Question number 5. What are the effects of Green Revolution? Page number 157. Left side, last para. I mean, the rapid increase, first line, the rapid increase to the last line. Mid 2000s, that's all. That para fully. Okay. Left side, last para fully. Okay. Sixth question answer. Write a note on differential universal PDS and targeted BDS. Page number 157. Page number 157 and 158. Okay. Come. Page number 157. Right side. Last para. First line. Last para, first line 2. While Tamil Nadu has adopted to. Next page. First para, first line, last line. The varied across states. Varied across states. And also you come to page number 157. Right side. The second para, third line. Page number 157. Right side. Second para, third line. Given the unequal distribution. Given the unequal distribution to. And seventh line. The distribution system. BDS. Bracket, close your bracket. Okay. Question number 6 answer. Question number 6th answer. Page number 157. Right side. Second para and third para. Okay. second para and third para. Okay. Question number 7. Write a short note on purchasing power. Page number 159. Page number 159. Left side. Second para. First line, purchasing power is 2. Carefully. Last line, vice versa. That carefully. Okay. Question number 8. What are the main reason for the new agricultural policy? Page number 160. Left side. Left side, agricultural policy in India heading. First para. Okay. First line, the new agricultural policy based. First line, the new agricultural policy based on export. 2. Last line, the processed agricultural product. That para fully. Okay. Question number 9. Write a short note on multidimensional nature of poverty. Page number 161. Left side. Page number 161. Left side. First para. Fully. First line, multidimensional poverty. 2. Last line, the group of people. Okay. Question number 10. Write some name of the nutrition program in Tamil Nadu. Write some name of the nutrition program in Tamil Nadu. Page number 163. The 6 points are there. Page number 163. The first para, the some nutrition program in Tamil Nadu heading. The 6 points are there. 6 points are there. But select 4 points. Any 4 points. Okay. Select any 4 points. Select. Okay. Over. And sixth row matter, answer in detail. First question, elucidate why the Green Revolution was on. Page number 156 and 157. Page number 156. Right side. Second para, first line. Thus, the Green Revolution was born in. The Green Revolution was born in. 2. Next page. Next page, page number 157. Right side. First para, last line. To meet the requirement of people. Page number 157. Right side. Right side, last line. To meet the requirement of people. Okay. Question number 2. Explain minimum support price. Explain minimum support price. Page number 157. Left side box, the minimum support price box. Minimum support price box. That box only enough. Question number 3. Elaborate the public distribution system. Elaborate the public distribution system. Page number 157 and 158. Page number 157 and 158. Okay. Right side. First para. Heading the public distribution system. Heading the public distribution system. Okay. First line 2. The increase in food grains production 2. Next page. The 158. Second para. The biometric smart card family. Biometric smart family card box fully. Biometric smart family card box fully. Okay. Next one. Question number 4. What are the factors affecting the purchasing power and explain them? Page number 159. Page number 159. Left side. Heading overpopulation. Heading overpopulation 2. Right side. Fifth point. The production and supply of goods. last line and that bara fully, the fifth point bara fully. Okay, the fourth question answer 5 points: overpopulation, increasing price of essential goods and demand for goods, price of goods affect the value of currency. Fifth point, production and supply of goods. The 5 points fully. Okay, question number 5. Write briefly some of the important objectives of Indian's agricultural policy. Page number 160. Page number 160, right side. The 6 points are there. First point, raising the productivity of input. Second point, raising the value added per hectare. Third point, the protecting the interest of poor farmers. Fourth point, modernizing agricultural sector. Fifth point, environmental degradation. Sixth point, removing bureaucracy and obstacles. The 6 points. Okay, mark the 6 points, all 6 points. Okay. Question number 6. Discuss about the multidimensional poverty index India and Tamil Nadu. Page number 162. Left side lost bara. Left side lost bara. First line, over the last decades. Page number 162, heading multidimensional poverty index 2018 report in Tamil Nadu. The first line, over the last decades too. Right side second para fully. Last line, model of development India. Page number 162, right side second para, last line, model of development India. Okay, close the bracket. Question number 7. Briefly explain the nutritional and health status of Tamil Nadu. Page number 163 and 164. Page number 163, heading the nutrition and health status in Tamil Nadu. I mean left side lost bara, nutrition and health status in Tamil Nadu. First line, the nutrition plays a crucial role in human health too. Page number 164, left side first bara only, I mean last line, the pioneering efforts. Last bara, the pioneering efforts. First bara, last line, pioneering efforts. Close your bracket. Okay, thank you for watching.